I want to spend a little bit of time just showing some of the examples of the understanding projects that students have done in previous years, to highlight the fun that they have with it, the creativity that they express, and some of the nice insights that they make. Here's just an example of something fun of a sort of a storybook that was put together by one student, that will feature work and area. Here's another little comic book starring Johnny Lift and The Case of the Magnet. And here's the story of area and work. And for this student, I like the fact that they really did outline, who their target audience is, which is a very critical part of this activity. I want to dig in a little bit to this last example here. This is a pamphlet for the middle schoolers and a guide to work as areas. So it's a pamphlet, and inside the pamphlet you can see here that the student is really getting at the idea of a complicated function, perhaps, of force versus distance, that can be modeled or approximated with multiple geometric shapes. I really appreciate the idea that the student's very comfortable with the fact that you must find a best approximation and there may be no exact work calculation. So the idea of just getting comfort with ambiguity and with approximation, and then here on the side, although not exact, a great approximation can be found. I think that demonstrates some very fluid thinking and some very sort of sophisticated thinking, and is great mathematical reasoning and great mathematical thinking without really getting into any computation at all, which is really the point of this assignment.